Hey guys, how you doing? Sorry I haven't filmed for a while, but I got a couple new lures. That I want to show you guys. I got this Rapala Scatter Wrap series. I don't have the series though, but it's a shad. You guys can't freaking see it. I wish I had. Here we go. This is good. It's a shad. If you watch Catch 'Em All Fishing, he actually has this exact same shad, and he caught I think a 26-pound bass with it. I've already opened this one to see. See, I already opened it, but I'm going to do an unboxing. My nose is freaking plugged. This is a depth diving, pretty good feet. 0/3 feet. For this small little thing, I mean, it's like, I don't know, do a size comparison, please. This is a shad. This is the, whatever it's called. The, minnow, the nano minnow from Matrazoo, America. I don't know. Unboxing it. Wait, you guys haven't got to see this one yet, have you? Here it is. It's pretty small. Yeah, but unboxing. God dang it. Sorry, guys. There we go. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could feel this. Like, oh my gosh. It feels so cool. Watch. Can you guys hear that? Well, it has like little bumps on it. If you can't see, think you can. Yeah, you can see. All these little tiny bumps. See them? All along here. I mean, I like this lure. Freak! That's how you can tell it's brand new. God dang. I just stabbed myself with it. That's for sure. Be careful with lures. Be careful with lures. Okay? How the heck do I open this one? Oh, it's just... Ooh! 5 feet and 8 inches. That's how deep this one goes. The shad. Age 1 through 5. 1, 5, 2, 4 millimeter, 7 centimeter. It's a 7 It's not 7 centimeters. How freaking big is this? Oh, here. Okay. You guys saw it, right? Okay. Time for the unboxing. Ugh. This one's smooth. It doesn't have any bumps whatsoever. Oh, wait. It has gill bumps, which that's suspected. I have my fishing pole right here. I'm going to test them out. Unfortunately, I can't film and test it, so see you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.